What's up, YouTube? This girl, she done went into labor. Zsa Zsa, Top South Bullies, Zsa Zsa. So we're en route now to the vet to give her a C-section. So I'm how this in particular vet that I'm going to this time, I drop her off. They perform the procedure and give me a call in a couple hours to let me know I can come pick up the puppies. So I'm gonna tie these videos together and I'll give y'all a shot of the puppies when she come out from getting her surgery. Okay, yeah, YouTube, the pups are on their way. It's Zsa Zsa on the operating table. So the pups will be here shortly. As soon as they get them up out of her, I will let y'all check them out. Hopefully, I think they're gonna be some badass pups. The pedigree on these dogs is pretty nice. You can check out the last video I did with Zsa Zsa. I got the pedigree on there. Sorry, I'm kind of, because I'm watching this as I'm trying to talk. It's pretty interesting. So it's Zsa Zsa getting the C-section. Like I said, I'm just going to tie these videos together. And at the end of this video, I'll let you see the pups. Look like they shaving her down, getting ready to pit her under so they can do what they gotta do. We go to Pups. There was 6 of them. 1 didn't make it. This little guy trying to climb out the basket. Got 1 runt, super small. I've never seen a runt this small. This is tiny.
It didn't have enough room to grow.
It's a tiny. It was in the back.
It was at the very back of the uterus. And I want to say the biggest one was with it. Because I pulled out a really big one, and then I was like, I thought the next one was going to be deformed. That's how little in comparison. So, yeah, I just didn't get as much. Not as big of a placenta.
Zsa Zsa recovering from her anesthesia. Hey, Zsa Zsa.
Tried to drive as fast as I could. Drive it down a little bit.
They're still trying to get all snuggled up when they get pushed out. They try to get back in.
Okay, so we here. Zsa Zsa done recovered. We back at the house. Excuse the little blood stain that we have over there. That's perfectly normal. For the females to have discharges. She's recovering. She's turning out to, so far, to be an excellent mother. She's nursing the pups. She's licking the pups. She's extra careful with them. She is a really good mother. You know, ain't that right, Zsa Zsa? You know, it's been a few hours since she came from the vet. So she's probably still feeling the effects of the anesthesia. This is Zsa Zsa's first litter. So sometimes when they come back from the vet, that first day may be kind of rough. on the dog that is, they're a little bit out of it from being up under the anesthesia. She's taken well to it. She's calm. She's a calm dog by demeanor. I see something I can give y'all some tips on. These pups, these first couple of days, you don't want them upside down, feeding on the nipple. You want to turn them back around. You don't want to do that. I lost a pup one time. Actually, it was like my second litter. A pup was drinking upside down, and the pup drowned off the milk in a matter of 10-20 minutes. So I come back in, the pup was unresponsive. We tried to revive that pup for a while. It just didn't make it, and milk just kept coming up out of her lungs, basically. So you don't want your pups to be drinking upside down. That was that just happened, and I figured I'll share it with you. When you get to breeding these dogs, it's a lot of little things like that you will learn. So yeah, she's been an excellent mother so far. She's back at the house. On the other clips, I showed y'all the process of me, going to the vet. Not really great video. It was just kind of on the spot. Hey, let me pull my phone out and document this and put it on my YouTube channel for y'all, for my subscribers and the people that watch. So yeah, so she's back now. Honestly, some of my best videos be the videos I just pull my phone out and just talk to y'all. In different processes. So she got her food, she got some water there. I bring the big water, that's still her normal water bowl. I bring a big 5-gallon bucket in her to keep her hydrated, keep her with good food. Especially, while she's wepping. Because she's not only eating and drinking for herself at this moment, she's eating and drinking for the 5 puppies that I had. She ended up having 6 puppies. One of the puppies didn't make it, which was the first one. They got stuck. I got to the vet a tad bit too late. I went to one vet, which I was probably on time to save that puppy. And that vet wasn't my normal vet that I go to. And they played so many games, and I just don't really I won't get into it, and I'm not gonna call the vet in particular place out. If you know, you know. If you're in Louisville, Kentucky, they would have just let her sit there with pups stuck in her and die. And the other vets I was calling, and my main vet, his phone had died at the time, and it was about 2 hours later until I got the call, and it's a 2-hour drive for me to get to him. So if he would have answered, I'm not blaming him, I'm just saying if he would have answered when I called him, I could have been on my way. That one pup could have made it. That's how pups are pretty resilient. They're real strong. But when if she starts going into labor and one gets stuck, you almost always gonna lose that first one. And that's what happened with this one. So that's why it's 5 here instead of 6. Zsa Zsa, like I said, she's just hours out of surgery. So she's still feeling the effects of the anesthesia. She's fine. Even though she just laid out, just kind of lazy. So, yeah, she's fine. The fact that she's not tripping out, trying to bite the puppies or nothing like that. Like, I leave out, I come back, and you know the puppies are lined up like I placed them like that. I thought she's gonna be an excellent mother, like her grandmother, Griselda. Tops Off Bullies Griselda, which is her grandmother. She was a great mother. So yeah, the pups are here. As far as what may be available, at this point it's kind of tricky because we're not past the point to where, you know, I don't like to take deposits on pups or anything like that until the pups are up walking around. There's so many things that can happen. This is only one day in. I can come back. The pups can be, she could sit on one. She could be laying on one. It'll kill them. I'm not really for sure which one I want to keep. So, if I ever take early deposits around this time, I always leave room for mistakes because I don't really plan on, and I haven't lost a whole litter after I had the pups. In fact, out of all the litters I had, which is not a crazy amount, but it's enough, I've only lost one puppy once we got to this point. And that one puppy I lost was, like I just showed y'all earlier, I only think it was 24 hours. The next day, but I don't think it was 24 hours. The pups was eating. I left out for 20 minutes, come back. One of them was upside down and wasn't responsive. And that's the one that drowned on milk that I was telling y'all about. So you would be a fool to, okay, it's 5 pups there, and you know, take 5 people's deposits and you lose a pup. Then you gotta pay it back. It's in that. I don't play on type of games. I don't like to play. I don't like my money played with. I don't like my time played with, so I don't play with people. I like to be straight up and give people the same treatment that I expect. So this is Top South Bullies. I'm concluding this video with Zsa Zsa and her pups. Pharaoh Pablo, champion Lucky Luciano's son. And I'll give y'all updates as these pups mature and grow and gain. Every day. Now, I may not make videos every day, but I will, you know, they're gonna grow and gain every day. I'll definitely give you updates on these pups. The pet is phenomenal. I'll put the pet at the end of this video. I also put pictures of the stud. The stud don't stay with me. He is one of my studs that I purchased. But I will give y'all pictures of them, and hopefully in these next couple weeks I'll get a hold of them and give y'all some video of the stud. As of now, I may only have 1 pup available, a male. This is 3 males and 2 females. 3 males and 2 females. I have 1 female. This little sable girl right here, she is the smallest puppy that I ever had. And I'm gonna show you, y'all don't have really of a size reference. I'm gonna show you how small she is. Look at my finger right there. She's not too much bigger than my finger. You know, I mean, I have nice sized hands, but I don't have huge hands. But they are looking real nice. All healthy, moving around, attacking the udders. Zsa Zsa, good girl. She's just relaxing. She's high right now off the anesthesia with that girl. Doing a good job, Zsa Zsa. That's a good girl. So yeah, y'all take it easy out there. Be safe, be easy. And we'll keep y'all updated on what's going on with these pups. Top South Bullies. Like I said, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know. I like to talk to people. We're located in Louisville, Kentucky. You can always call or text me at 502-802-0020. If you give me a call and you don't get a response, just leave a text and I'll reach it back to you. Sometimes I get a lot of calls. So I stay busy, so I will get back to you as soon as possible. You guys have a good one out there. Subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll keep y'all updated. Take it easy.